Billionaire investor Warren Buffett famously said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So here are 3 ways I make money without having to put in any effort. Number 1. I invest in several index tracker funds. An index tracker fund is an investment that aims to mirror the performance of a stock or bond market index, such as the FTSE 100 in the UK, or the S&P 500 in the US. I personally invest in funds that include countries in different time zones, so I really am making money whilst I sleep. Number 2. I own several real estate investment trusts. This type of investment product allows investors to earn a share of real estate income without directly owning property. It pools investor capital to invest in large-scale and income-generating real estate assets, such as office buildings, shopping malls, apartments, hotels and warehouses. I like this type of product because it gives me exposure to real estate income without the need for a large amount of upfront capital. It also means I haven't got to worry about things like maintenance costs, dealing with tenants, or other inconveniences that I would potentially have if I had purchased each asset directly myself. Number 3. I keep most of my money that isn't invested in an easy-access high-interest savings account. This is because I want to be earning money on my money to keep ahead of inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money, so if prices for things are going up, I want my money to increase as well, to reduce the impact. So those are 3 ways I make money, effortlessly, or while I sleep. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.